what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. And as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, we are currently on our way to the BMW service. And I'm about to tell you why. So basically, I'm gonna give y'all a little backstory while we driving. So basically my car, since I bought the car brand new. But ever since I had it, I've been always having a problem with this front left side headlight. Like first it will get a little water in it, like when it rains and shit, yada yada. So like a little condensation when it's cold, shit inside the headlight, which is not supposed to be. So this is like my third time coming to the dealership for this exact problem, because I'm trying to get the warranty to cover it, yada yada. So you know how warranty works on vehicles, bro. They don't be trying to pay that. You know what I'm saying? They don't want to pay for the part, they don't want to pay for the service, labor, all that kind of shit. But basically, when I took a closer look at the headlight, I seen like that it looks like from the inside, it looks like the headlight's cracked a little bit, and there's like a piece falling off, broken inside. So I'm like, nah. Hit up my BMW service tech, boom. Told him like, yo, like, feel me? We gotta do something about this. So they said, all right, bring it by today. My appointment is actually for 7:40 in the morning. It's fucking 9 o'clock. Wow, I overslept. It's all right though, we still good. I'm 25 minutes away from the place, so just thought I'd pick up the cam, give y'all boys a little update on what's going on for real. It's a beautiful day though here, a beautiful morning here in NYC. No vibes. But yeah, that's really what's going on right now. So I'm gonna probably pick up the cam when I get a little closer and shit. Alright chat, so we are 7 minutes away from the freaking spot. Y'all really hope it's not packed, and I hope they don't give me a hard time, because I ain't gonna lie, I'm dead ass late on some real kizzy shit. I'm dead ass late. But let me show you how the M2 take these turns though. Sheesh. Oh, what's that up there? M2? Hold on chat. Hold on chat. That twin M? Hold on, let's see. Or is that 240 or 230? I don't know, I can't see. But yeah, I hope these niggas don't give me a hard time for real. I think that's a 230 or something up there. 230, 240, I don't know. Ain't no M2 though, I could tell you that. Fuck, I might have dropped this shit off with no gas either. That's crazy. Fuck it, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Oh, he took this shit on a test drive. GG's. GG's, chat. Reel him in, coach. Let's see. Could be a 240. Fucking son, boy. What'd that say, coach? Nah, it's a 230. Yeah, it's a 230, chat. Oh, he pushing that shit too. My boy pushing the 230. I'm crying. I'm fucking dead, boy. We got the Jimmer Jams. Let's do it. You gotta be careful out here. Oh, GG's. You gotta be careful out here, because these were the state troopers like to camp in the bushes on some real shit. That shit is not pretend, that's real life. Them boys that camp out in them bushes. Do your homework on camping in the bushes. Do I gotta break that shit down though? Well, let's start there. Yo, chat, G80 coming in fucking hot, boy, right here. Look, watch how he getting. Oh, that shit manual too. Watch how he getting on, boy. He coming in this shit. Nah, let's do it. G80 was coming in hot, boy. Woo! Don't brake. Take that turn, boy. We following this brother. Fuck the politicking, nigga. Go, go, go. Let's do it. All right, chat. A little playtime before we get to the freaking spot. All right, we just arrived. Let's see what they talking in here, man. Let's see what they really talking about. Let's see what's going on in here. Pull up into one of these bad boys. Woo! Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't fucking see. Chat, I'm cooked. Chat, I'm cooked. Chat, I'm cooked. Nobody's saying nothing. Let me just stop my black ass here. All right. All right, chat. Drop the car off. It's for this headlight here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little cracked inside. See? Yeah. Car looks pretty clean for sure though. Sheesh. Nigga, they about to have fun in this shit. Let me see how many miles we got, chat. Alright, we got 9,395. Let's see if they out here joyriding my shit before I clean it. Take a few pictures just in case. Alright, chat, so it is the next day. I'm about to give y'all boys a little rundown on what's going on with the M2. Let me pop the hood for y'all. Oh sheesh. It's a beautiful day out here though, real rap. Look at that. As you can see, your boy chef in the white neighborhood right now. Alright, so boom. Let me give y'all a little update of what's going on. So basically, what is that? Alright, so basically, this headlight here has been giving me some issues since I bought the car, as you can see. So basically I took it to BMW, basically see if they could warranty the headlight, yada yada. But basically they're saying they can't warranty the headlight because inside here, you can't really see it, but inside here, there's a little crack. So when there's anything, a little crack or anything wrong with the headlight, BMW consider it as foul play, what they call foul play. It basically means that, oh, outside influence and basically warranty isn't trying to cover it. Which is dead ass bullshit because, bro, the car's brand new. It only has 9,000 miles on it. So it's like, I didn't, you know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't do that. You know what I mean? So basically they're calling it foul play. They're not trying to warranty the headlight. So I said, alright, fuck it, cool, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I ain't tripping. Because at the end of the day, we are going to do way worse things. Sorry, my fault, chat. Kind of checking everything. But yeah, like I said, I'm planning to do way worse things. Way more beating on the car anyway, so it really don't matter for real. It is what it is. But yeah, that's basically the update right now. So I'm just checking, make sure he put everything, because obviously to get to the headlight they had to take off the whole bumper. So I'm just making sure the technician put the bumper on back properly. But yeah, that is the update on the M2. So now I'm stuck on if maybe I want to change the headlight myself, because BMW headlight, bro, they talking about some, that shit go for like, nigga, four or 5 grand for just for the headlight. Fuck that. Your boy is not paying that shit. You're wildin'. So it's either I go buy an aftermarket one, do it myself, shit like that. But yeah, that's basically the update with the M2 right now. Oh shit, let me see. Let me see who the fuck is calling me, boy. Phone been ringing all day. But yeah, chat, I'm probably gonna end the video off here. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. Get a load of this view though. Sheesh. But yeah, like I said, keep showing love, like, comment, subscribe, all that. And for the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And yeah, see y'all boys in the next video. Chef out.